Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design a logo by using Rotate tool. Most of us don't know how to accurately design the rotated tool in our design, but if you watching the video till end, you will learn how to use Rotate tool along with others effect way to design your logo. So, let's start the video. First take a letter, by which you want to design logo. I take S letter for my today's logo design. Now I need to the letter in square box. If I design the letter in square box, the logo will look good. So take the rectangular tool, and draw a square. I think everyone knows how to design S letter in square, because it's very easy. But for those who don't how to design S letter in square, keep watching. First select the square, and go Object. And select Path, and then click on Split into Grid. Now take 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay, that's good. See that, there are many square in it. So take Shape Builder tool, and design S letter on the square like that. Okay, that's good, I have designed the S letter easily on square. Now put the small square the S corner, because it makes more look good. If you cannot properly put the square part on the S letter, go outline mode by press Ctrl Y. Now you can easily place this like that. Okay, that's good. Go back to previous mode by press Ctrl Y. Now select the design, go Pathfinder, and make it united. Select the design, and take Move tool, and select the S letter corner by hold Shift. And curve it like that. I take corner radius 15. Okay, that's good. You can also customize the corner by Move tool like that. Now select the design, and go Effect, and select 3D and Materials, and then select Rotated. From Rotate, go to Presets, and take Isomeric Top. Okay, that's good. Now select the design, and rotate it 90 degrees like that. Okay, that's good. Select the design, and go Object, and select Expand Appearance. See that, when we are zooming the design is bursting. So what is the solution for this? We can make it vector by Image Trace. So click on Image Trace. Now see that, when we are zooming, it doesn't bursting. Now select the design, and go Object, and select Expand. Now ungroup it. Now move the design, and delete extra parts on artboard. Now if you think the vector is not perfect, because most of the time, the image trace cannot be any picture properly vector, there or have some problem, if we are zooming, we can see that this corner is not accurately vectored. So what is the solution? The solution is, now you can easily design the logo by using grid. So first take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt, and take total 5 lines. Select the lines, and make it group. Now go Transform, and rotate it equal to the S letter. I think 210 degree is perfect for equal. Now properly place the lines on the S letter design. And copy the rotated lines. For that, click on right button of mouse, and select Transform, and select Reflect, and copy it. Select the lines, and move it above from the design. Select the lines, and ungroup it, and add here lines, because there will be S letter edge parts. Do the same thing for this lines. Okay, that's good. Now properly place the S letter on the lines. And decrease the opacity, also lock the S letter, so that it can't move. Now select everything, and take Pathfinder, and design the S letter over the lines. So friends, see that, how can I perfectly design the S? You can also try this for your design, if you think that image trace doesn't work properly. Now select the design, and take Move tool, and curve like before. Okay, that's good. Now take Line Segment tool, and draw a line along the S letter edge like that. Copy the lines by hold Alt, and place it another side like that. Okay, that's good. Again take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Now go Transform, and rotate it equal to S letter angle. 330 degree is perfect. Now copy the rotate line by following this method. Okay, that's good. Select 2 lines, and make it group. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. Go back, also group this 2 lines. Now selected everything, and make it middle align center. Okay, that's good. Now select the lines, and take Shape Builder tool, and delete extra parts like that. We can see that the edge of 2 lines is not joining, so join it. For that, select the 2 lines, and go Object, and select Path, and select Join. Okay, that's good. Now select the lines, and take Move tool, and curve it, which is perfect for you. I think this is perfect. Okay, that's good. Now select the line, and copy it by hold Alt, and move down a little bit like that. It's totally depend on you. Now select everything, make it middle align center. And take Shape Builder tool, and draw it like that. Okay, that's good. Now move the design, and ungroup it, and delete the extra parts.